I'm 52 years old today. I don't have a spouse or kids. I don't have an apartment or a house. I don't have a car or any pets. And I don't even have a real job. I've been living out of rooms that cost me about $15 a night for the last year. But you know what? I've still never been happier. So today is my 52nd birthday. It is May 7th, 2026. Thank you so much for being here. I look back on the last 12 months and where I've been and the experiences that I've had, and I can definitely say I would not change any of it for anything in the world. 12 months ago, I told people about my story. I told people to go out and wander, go see the world. And that still applies today, maybe even more so than ever. I think that people have responded in such positive ways to the video that I published last year. I've had so many wonderful comments from people. I've talked to so many people in private conversations, and I think that it has helped some people pick up and move on, to try something new, to go on an adventure, to find a new job, whatever it was. And that means so much to me, that so many people found it so valuable. For me personally, my journey has been all about travel. Over the last 12 months, I've been to Mexico, I've been to Belize, Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, and they've all been amazing. I've met so many wonderful people along the way. I've had so many wonderful adventures and things that I will remember for the rest of my life. I feel very fortunate that I've been able to do this, and most importantly, prove to myself that the path that I chose and the path that I'm on was the correct one for me. So I look back again this year at where I was 10 years ago, 15 years ago, and it's been a remarkable journey. I think that I have learned so much about myself in the last 12 months, learned that I can do whatever I want to, that I am the only one who knows what's best for me. And so I say that to you as well. You are the only one who knows what's best for you. Now, I'm not saying everyone needs to do what I do. Not everyone needs to sell everything, go travel the world, go on these wonderful, massive adventures. That's not what I'm asking. What I'm asking for everybody to do is to find your path to happiness, whatever it may be. Maybe it's a new hobby. Maybe it's a new job. Maybe it's going for a walk down the street to a place that you've never been to before, or a restaurant that you've always thought about visiting someday. All of those things are part of what makes our individual journeys special and unique to us. And that's what I want all of you to think about today. On my birthday, my gift to you is to remind you that you are the only one who can do what's best for you. Now, I've heard from many people who say, oh, I'm stuck. I don't have a job. I don't have any money. I can't go travel. And so I say to you, start with a plan. Make a list. Think about all the things that you would need to do to get to the point where you can do whatever you want. That's what this whole thing is about. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and making sure that you're doing it for your own reasons and not for anyone else's. I've talked to a lot of people in the last 12 months, and so many of them have said to me, you've made me feel better. You've helped me out of a funk, or you've given me some motivation. That's wonderful. That's all I ever wanted from last year's video. That's all I'm asking for in today's video, is to just be yourself, Don't be afraid to try things. And if they don't work out, that's okay too. Try something else. There's nothing wrong with failure. There's nothing wrong with trying something and have it not work. You learn from that, you adjust, and then you move on and do something different. That's just life. Everyone's the same. We're all just trying to get by. We're all just trying to make our ends meet. We're all just trying to make sure that at the end of each day, when we go to bed at night, that we feel like we've done something positive for ourselves and making a step forward on your path. So that's it. That's really all I wanted to say this year, was to thank everybody. Last year's video has, I think, 1.2 million views on it. And the comments have continued. And I have worked to read every one of them and respond to them, as many of them as I can. I think I've done a pretty good job of that. I hope that people have enjoyed my other content. You know, if you haven't been watching my travel videos over the last 12 months, check them out. Maybe they'll give you some inspiration or some ideas for things that maybe you'd like to try. I think that as I go forward and look into what's coming up for the rest of 2026 and beyond, I'm very excited about it, and I hope that you will be excited about it as well. So that's all. This is just a quick message to say thank you very much. I'm really happy to still be here. I'm really happy that I've been able to accomplish all of my dreams over the last 12 months, and I hope that you have been able to do some of that for yourself as well. So just remember, life is short. Wander. And I'll see you in the next video. A special thank you to everyone who's followed me through my journey, especially over the last 12 months. It's been an amazing time. I really can't thank you enough for all the support you've given me. To those who support me through my Patreon, especially a huge shout out to all of you. You've really helped me in this past year when YouTube has been really unsteady at times. And so that consistency has really helped me to continue to be able to do this project. To anyone else who has donated along the way, thank you very much. To anybody who's commented on my videos, thank you very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. I really do. And as you've seen, I do make an effort to reply to all the comments. I am doing this project entirely on my own, completely self-funded for the most part. All the editing, all the social media, all that kind of stuff. That's all me. I don't have another team. I don't have an editor. I don't have social media, anything. It's all me. So anything you can do, if you want to help support me, there are some links here on the screen for both PayPal and for Bitcoin. There's also my Patreon page. All of this is linked down in the description below, should you want to give me a hand. But there's no pressure to do that. I just enjoy that people are enjoying my videos, have enjoyed my travel content, and believe me, there is a whole lot more yet to come here in the near future. So come along with me as I continue down my path and continue to wander.